Alright, here we go. Starting off the stream, here we have my Maggie right here. Made it myself because my wife is apparently at the office. I am live, right? Yeah. Happy New Year. Is it Bengali New Year right now? Is today Bengali New Year? Hey Parmeshwar. Hey Rachit. This is absolutely crazy. Saheli Chatterjee is getting cooked. Bro is in chat mode. Yeah, it is actually very very warm today, and I can't wear a t-shirt. Sorry. Okay, I did not know Hindu New Year. I only follow the Gregorian calendar. Sorry. How you guys doing? What's up? Happy Ugadi to you too, Danna Ramu. Are you celebrating it? We make something called obattu. It's a sweet paratha. Nice, nice. Are you celebrating it in your house or are you celebrating it outside? Watching you eat Maggie makes me want to eat Maggie. This is actually yippee noodles.
What do you mean you got it?
But Saheli Chatterjee is getting cooked. This is actually mind blowing what has happened to her. Since last year, I have been saying I dislike her channel. Since last year, I've been saying I don't like her channel. And now it's going insane. What is happening to her? And streams and just chill. Nice, nice. What flavor is that? Looks different from previous ones. No, this is standard yippee, the red one, the one that we get in the market. That's what this is.
It in the cohort, like you met them on Discord.
Yes, so I got to learn a lot from the people in cohort itself.
So you applied on Wellfound, you said. A lot of people have heard, they get interviews on Wellfound. It seems like 1,000 times better version of Internshala. What was the interview process like?
The interview was pretty much.
Did you apply to many jobs, one job?
I used to apply.
What did your day look like? What do you code like?
It was mostly like
4 months or a year before he graduates. So we'll talk about the interview process, how he started to code in a year, how he got this very first outcome. So with that, Rahul, welcome to the pod. Can you give us a brief introduction?
Hi everyone, my name is Rahul and I'm currently in final year pursuing BTech from KCC ITM. It's in Greater Noida. Actually, I've been a dropper also. I've done my 12th in 2019 and I started my college in 2021.
Since I have been eating yippee, it has been this color, red. Hi brother, hope you're good. Actually, I'm going through my MTech degree and next month placement is going to start. I will go for off campus too. What should I take care like before applying in comp? I hope that you get on campus placement. That would be better, obviously, for obvious reasons. Have you tried InstaHire website? No, I haven't. InstaHire and Internshala is the two of the most bullshit websites. Zero hassle job search. Somebody is. I don't like this website. Last time I used it in college, I did not like it. Didn't get me anything. Your dream job now. Showcase yourself to a curated list of top companies, complete privacy and no spam. This is. No, I don't like it. Bro, you should do another controversy. Your watching is too low. Clown. Who you saying clown to? First of all, I don't think doing controversy is the way to get views. I don't want to be perceived as somebody who just does controversy on stream. Today, I'm actually thinking about coding a little bit. The GST application that I've been building, it's been too long now. I haven't done anything on it. So yeah, today I'm thinking about doing it, doing some coding on stream. This is 12:05 p.m. right now. I think by 1 p.m. I would do it. Unstop is more BS. I have seen the website before. All of them look the same to me. If I'm honest, all of them look the same. The same companies, the same unlock your career and some hook to draw you in. Thing is, these websites, they don't need marketing. If I just get real here, these websites don't need marketing. I don't see why they run ads or whatever. Some platform gets you a job. I don't see how that platform needs advertisements. Simple as that. A2 Motivation also did Conquer app. Conquer, the application to get you a job. That application should not need an investment or should not need marketing. Because word of mouth is enough for the use case. Kuwait is BS2. Okay, I don't know Kuwait, never heard of it. Generate a Ghibli image of yourself, said. It's so cool. I don't want to. For some reason, it's a repellent for me. 1 second. Okay, I have tried that part also, but did not get any result. My suggestion would be to keep trying. It's not guaranteed in one shot if you will get a job offer or anything like that. Trying to build an OS from scratch, do you think it is worth it? Yeah, why not? Go for it. Also, don't spam, Yashant. I read everybody's chats, just so you know. I don't miss. He calling you clown. Kirat finishes in a day. I don't know what the finish time has to do with anything. If internshala, insta hire type companies are shit, then how one should go and apply for internships? Just go with every platform. Just spam your resume everywhere on all platforms, and just hope for the best. There is nothing really any way out of this. There is no magic formula or anything that you can do that will get you an unfair advantage or anything like that. It doesn't exist. What you have the best shot as, just spam everywhere your resume. Did you see that guy who was kicked out of Colombia for the F lead code tool? Yes, I did. Roy. Yesterday we were talking about him on stream. Oh, you know coding. I think you only talk. Wow. Thank you, Jalapino. I think you haven't seen my channel that well. If you go a little bit back, you will see tons of Shopify, Laravel, and Node.js tutorials that I have created. Is it worth learning assembly? Yeah, why not? Go for it. It will be a great learning experience for you. It will give you at least a perspective on how granted we take top level programming languages. High level, I mean.
I started my coding journey last year in April because there is a FOMO that everyone should get a job. My initial thought was I would get in Google. which is not now because I didn't like DSA. I had been doing DSA previously. It's on a like medium level DSA. I could solve medium level questions, but then I got to know that you need to know development also. Then I started learning HTML and CSS by April 2024, and after that I had to get an internship because I was already in third year, in fifth semester, and everyone around me had internships. Everyone who was doing good, not people from my college, because I used to watch a lot of YouTube videos that someone's getting in Google, someone's getting in Microsoft through DSA, how they cracked videos. Like in 3 months they got into Google. So I started learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and then after that I thought I would get an internship, but I would not. I thought this was enough, as everyone says in YouTube videos. Then I started learning React.js. It was through YouTube only, and after completing React.js, I had a opportunity to intern somewhere as a full stack developer through my brother's.
Designer Mock, I know who you are. I know who you are. I will create a video, long format video, and I'll send you that to get the thumbnail. Designer Mock is the thumbnail guy I used to work with some time ago, but now that I have focused mainly on stream, there's not really a need for thumbnails anymore. So I can just reuse the previous thumbnails that I had gotten. So I haven't gotten into long format videos, just general videos for a long time now. I'll get back to it, and I'll get to you. Rohit, your real name. Yeah. And if anybody is looking for a thumbnail designer, you should hire Rohit. Designer Mock, this guy. Thanks, Prince. That's the one way I have been following to get internships. I think you are a fresher. You doing YouTube with college, but you are married. Sorry. I am 8 years experienced software developer, bro. I am doing AI ML in my college, and I'm also interested in robotics. Can I select robotics specialization? Sure, yeah, you can. Whether you should is a question, but you can. Yeah. Robotics and AI ML are closely related, I would say. There is some, yeah. Bhai, resume check today. Yeah, sure. Send me your resumes, send me your portfolios. I'll do reviews. I don't mind.
After
Ban AI is going viral on Insta. Miyazaki himself said it's an insult and everyone is supporting him. Like in the comment section of people posting Ghibli art to stop this trend. It's not gonna stop. It's not gonna stop. Thing is, following this trend, it doesn't take that much hard work now, does it? You can just go to ChatGPT, upload your image, and boom, your result is there. You're not making money off of it. You're just chasing likes, chasing shares, chasing whatever, and that's all that is. So I don't think it's gonna stop. And are we really talking about ban AI or ban this trend of Ghibli art images? So we have to be clear here. Ban AI meaning that we should ban all AI tools, which is obviously not happening. AI is the trending topic, hot topic everywhere. 8085 के लिए भारत आचार्य. Yeah, I also did Intel 8085, bro. You should get that kit. Ban this trend of using AI to make Ghibli images. Okay, so the trend. Okay, I get it. I also did Intel 8085, bro. Intel 8085 is an amazing microprocessor. We used to do it in a kit. The wooden box, and inside that the circuitry was there. We used to do it in that. A very practical implementation. Not your emulators that you can find on the internet. It was one of the experiences I had in college that made me appreciate computer science so much, that we have the ability to play around with the instruction set of a CPU directly, and how we have gotten from Intel 8085 to Intel Core i9 13200K or whatever processor, how much we take things for granted when we have this much hardware sitting with us. I've seen people from tier 1 colleges, not tech related branches, grind from first year on a daily basis to get their first intern and jobs, but peeps on YouTube be cracking stuff within months. My world is small. Yeah, your world is small, bro. Your world is small. What you are watching on YouTube is somebody's success journey. They are not going to show you the number of years that they had to study, the difficulties that they faced in their lives to get where they are. The camera only activates and videos start to get uploaded on YouTube. It's the point where they make it in some sense. Either they make it in IIT, either they get a job, either they leave the job and start selling courses or whatever. But the camera doesn't capture what happened before that for anybody. Nobody decides as a student that they should start documenting what they have been learning in first year, second year, third year. Let's take all of you for example. You guys go to college, you guys study computer science. Are you documenting it on YouTube in any shape or form? You're not. The best that you can do is post a viral, not viral, post a Twitter post, or post it on LinkedIn that today I learned this, today I learned that, and blah blah blah. But you're not leaving behind the exact struggle that you have been going through in video format on YouTube. You're not doing that. That will only happen when you get some sense of achievement, which is getting a job. Only then you will be like, holy crap, now I deserve views. Let me point the camera to myself and start saying, hey guys, I cracked this company and all. Making everybody else feel like that person had it easy. Nobody has it easy, bro. Nobody. You look young, bhaiya. I'm small from you. Thank you. 32 years old. 32 years old. Yeah, I think I'm doing well for myself. Going to gym and all is paying off. Your tech lead guy start Node.js course. Yeah. Is he selling a course though? That's my question. He's not selling a course, is he? It's free information, right? Seems like it. Good. I don't think he's selling anything. Or I haven't seen the video to know. Hey, Drax! Here we go, here we go! You thought I was 27. Nice, I'm doing really well for myself. The course are hook for premium course. Really? Bro is talking about Kirat. Ban this. People will pay less attention if you say that you got something after years of hard work. But the moment you say cracked Fang within 3 months, boom, you get those clicks and subs. That's all. That's all that is. I thought Sid is 18. Good. Thank you. I know you're saying this sarcastically. Now buy Miku skin. Nice. Selling courses is startup nowadays. No, not nowadays. Not nowadays. 2020. This is a 5-year-old trend now. There's a book called Law of Power, where one of the laws of power is make your accomplishment seem effortless. There you go. That's the formula of being a YouTuber. If you want to make it big on YouTube, just follow that law. Make everybody feel like it's just bread and butter for you. It's easy. You got this done in 3 months, whatever. You can just say whatever you want. I always say that I studied computer science for 8 years. Only then I felt like I know something now. I felt confident in myself that I have spent this much time and I have studied this much. Only then now I have the confidence that I know something. I can talk about tech. But then these people come along who are saying that I only did DSA for 1 year and I did this and this. Makes everybody feel like they are doing something wrong. No, you're not. No, you're not. There are certain people on stream who have asked me that I have been learning coding for the past 6 months, a year, maximum 2 years, and that's what strikes me. It's like I compare that to my own experience. Like I spent 8 years, and you have spent only 2. How can you be in a position to start freaking out about where you would get placed and everything? It takes time. Remember this. Yeah, why not? I'm actually thinking about cutting that clip out into a YouTube short and I would upload it. Manan is celebrating Eid now. So today is 30 March. Tomorrow is 31st. Then 1st April, I'm gonna start pinging him to create that short for me. Dev Gadvi would have minted crores of rupees scamming people through his courses. First mover advantage, haha. It's not first mover advantage. It's not first mover advantage. There are still people coming on YouTube who are trying to make an image of themselves as somebody who is credible, somebody who knows a bunch of stuff, and they are also making money. I don't think it's a first mover advantage. The first person that I can think of going the farthest back is Grant Cardone. Cardone, sorry. Uh, okay, you sent the resume. First of all, you should have taken out your phone number because I think you just got doxed. Uh, Tezpur, Assam. Hey, nice. Shout out Assam. GitHub, LinkedIn portfolio. Okay, so here's your portfolio. Hey, I think I've seen this. Yeah, I have seen this. Isn't it? Yeah, I have seen this. I have seen this. Netflix clone, inventory tracker, and all. Have you made any changes here, though? Is my question. We don't appreciate free code camp enough. Yeah, yeah. What changes have you made? View demo. COVID-19 tracker. Is COVID-19 still going on? First of all, already a bug I saw here. So, this should be the default view. 1 second. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, this should be the default view of COVID-19 tracker, but it's actually zoomed far out, which makes it seem like you forgot to account for that condition, and it doesn't seem right to me, if I'm honest here. There are so many, like there's this big area right here. Are you really saying that there have been no COVID-19 cases in this region? Then Japan is not having a case. Then out all of these outer areas of Russia. Then Canada, it's like right here. USA, the west coast doesn't seem to have anything. It's not worldwide. Let's go with India. Let's see. So selecting India is just a pin on India. Okay. Remove this project, bro. It's not a good project. The idea itself is, I'm not saying that the website is bad. I'm saying that the idea is not good. Inventory tracker. Microsoft clone. So you made a Microsoft clone. Okay, this link doesn't work. Okay, that does work. Okay. Xbox Game Pass. I imagine that this is just front end, right? The map pointer thingy is pointed to South America and not India. Is pointing based on GPS. Yeah, we know this guy. You reviewed last time. I did. I don't see any substantial change in them, if I'm being real here. You're skipping many chats, sir. I know. I can't keep up. Cut me some slack, bro. I am 5th year in college. First of all, why 5th year? Maybe you're doing like a BTech MTech mix course. Both courses in one. Because if your achievements look effortless, most people would try to redo it with minimum effort and fail. What did I miss? Nothing, Kidambi. Not sure. Maybe in future. Oh, okay. Hey, what about your podcast? Is that happening or not? I wouldn't place any bet on it right now. It might happen in May. I'm not sure. First, create roadmaps, then produce some video content. Later, they will inform you they want serious students, so they are starting a paid cohort, of course. Yeah. Have you heard about placement guarantee web development courses? Few of my friends are doing it 6 months for 50k, 60k. Is it a BS? Well, if it is placement guarantee, then what can I say? Otherwise, if it worked, then everybody would be doing it. Everyone has an extra 50-60k they can ask from their parents for a placement guarantee. Everybody can do that. But surely it doesn't work. Surely money is not the only barrier, which is what is keeping people unemployed. Yeah, I do have to remove some old projects, some changes. Just wanted your view on the resume, if it will get flagged or not. Yeah, it will get flagged, bro. Don't worry. It is a good resume. It is a good resume. Hey, Tamizul Hassan Shakib, advance Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak to you as well, bro. How's the weather in Bangladesh right now? React to an ergonomic keyboard. I worked with a few people. I was in charge of coding PM coding on the MCU and designing the key. I will send on Discord. Yeah, send it.
So that I made a switch after 3 months. So my most of the learning is on the job only. Yeah, because there was not like I was lost somewhere, because on job they directly ask you to learn something and then implement it in real life. So after that I made a switch, and after completing that internship also I had a PPO which I didn't like. Then
I don't like this podcast. Support builds confidence, opportunities. Then the next chapter is system design is essential. Tech learning via community. Startup, LMS, CRM challenges. Database migration is hard. Service migration is tough. I don't. I'm not vibing with it. So basically, this is what I saw today. I opened up LinkedIn, and the first post I see is by this guy. And the first line itself, the era of software developers is over. This is why, this is why he deserves all of the things that is happening to him now. Saheli is cooked. Has she lost any subscribers? Is my question. Let me see. 285k, so apparently not. She hasn't lost any subscribers. That is crazy. Hey, same. My parents are saying me to join AI course at Bangalore. No use. No use. How do you speak so good English? Years and years of practice, I would say. I got made fun of by my friends brutally whenever I messed up my grammar or something like that. They used to tell me I should go back to my village. It happens in India. Speaking English is sort of a status symbol. Indians who can speak English think that they are better than other Indians who can't. It is sort of it falls in that category. So YouTube live streams also help me with refining my English skills. Here I am put on the spot right in front of a camera and I have to speak, so it helps with the practice. Basically, years and years of practice. That's how you get it done. We will get a reaction on this podcast or not. Actually, no, Arindam. I'm not feeling it. It's something about students wanting to land a job and just some guy who's already gotten opportunities now saying such a bullshit argument. What? Where to learn grammar? I am very bad at English. You can learn grammar by listening to English songs, listen to different artists, so you can get to know about different accents. Then you can watch different TV shows, no subtitles. That's important. Animesh, what is a bullshit argument? Just want to know. So, bullying works, I guess. Just kidding. Yeah, it does. It does. It does. It does. I meant the Ishant one. Oh, Ishant one. Not Ishant one. I don't think you mean Ishant one. You mean Saheli's one by Declutter that they did yesterday. Bullying does work. Bullying does work. When there are friends who are willing to make fun of you on your face, yeah, it does put you on the spot. It does make you think like, I better think about what I'm about to say. If I mess up, then yeah, it's not gonna go away. My friends are gonna make fun of me. Saheli subs might be paid. Could be, could be. She has tons of money to throw around for paid subscribers. You can actually do it on Google Ads. If I show you my dashboard, I get pestered by Google Ads all the time. You know, yesterday that Rahul Subramaniam thing that I reacted to, GE Demon 1, it actually got my live stream blocked globally. So thanks for that. Where is my phone? Where is my phone? Alright, here it is.
Research what games are going on, utilize that time to kind of make.
Here we go. So just if I go to my analytics, not analytics. Where is it? Anyway, there is a vibe coding course by Replit now. Of course, of course. Yeah, ROG 5. That's the phone I have. Bullying works. So is this a green pass for me to e-bully instead for Miku skin? No. Context matters, bro. Context matters. Where is in the earned section? Brand connect. No, that's not what I'm looking for. Analytics. No, this is not that. Anyway, you can actually oh, okay, here we go. So if you click on a video and then you click promotions right here, so you can actually take a video of yours and you can promote it through Google Ads. Pay money and YouTube will make sure to show you impressions. Actually, if I show you right now which video I would pick. So see, there are three main goals: audience growth, video views, website visits. So let's say audience growth, right? Get more subscriptions and views for additional videos on your channel. So next, select a video from your channel. So let me select anyone. Let's say coding equal to pyramid scheme, right? So it shows me how it will look. So next, now the country selection: India, United States, Brazil, Colombia, and Kuwait. Next, budget. So see this budget right here, 3,500 rupees if I spend until 13th April 2025. So it will divide it up for the days that I am running this ad campaign for, and it will give me 2.3k to 20k estimated views and 66k to 160k estimated impressions. Now if I increase this budget to 35,000 rupees and run it for 14 days, now I will get 670k to 1.6 million estimated impressions and 26k to 170k estimated views. This is what people do. 35,000 rupees, if they run it for 14 days, boom, their channel viewership, it goes up. So let me close this. I don't want to do this, but yeah, that's how you do YouTube. When organic growth stops, you can actually opt in for paying money. I would happily go back to village, fucking peaceful. Sent in DM, client didn't want out in public because she's surprising her husband with the keyboard on his birthday. Oh, nice. Unfortunately, my grandparents were forced to sell their farm by some greedy corporate guy. I have no village to go back. Bangalore is my only native. Oh, sucks to hear that. Bro, don't spam. He will view your comment. Wait. Oh, okay. Chakravarti Sayantan. You will get banned for it, actually. I don't appreciate people spamming the chat. So let me answer your question, and just to teach you a lesson, I'm gonna time you out for 1 hour. Sir, DevOps or data engineering, which will have more scope? How difficult is it to switch from service to product based company? Okay, that is such a generic question, bro. It's a subjective question. How can I tell you which one to pursue? DevOps or data engineering? Pick anything you want, bro. Both of them have high scope, good scope, basically. I'm gonna time you out just this once for 30 minutes. Which course is best in college for BTech CS IT AIDS? Okay, how can I say that, bro? How can I say that? I don't even know enough courses to begin with for BTech students. Just do BTech. That's all. Vibe coding course, Elmo. Two-factor auth. No, the post related to the Replit CEO. Will you react to that? I already did. We can easily get the idea by sub to views ratio. Yep, that's how you do it. Actually, not the sub to views ratio. You can do it by views to comments ratio. That is the one where the reality gets exposed for everybody. I saw a video from some guy named Sid. Apparently, he's a motivational speaker and blah blah blah. The video had 2.1 million views, but comments were only 40. That's when I knew this is paid. This is paid views. Bro, I want to change the job role from BTech support to ASC role in IBM. I got placed from campus placement 2025. Talk to your manager, I would say. Talk to whoever you want. I mean, in the company that will get you the position. See, other people also say not to spam. Let's react to this. Most emotional lover ever. Yeah, I know. I have seen this one. Oh, no, not this one. I haven't seen this. I saw a podcast. Oh, here we go. Most emotional podcast. I have seen this one. This is hilarious, man. I saw it and I could not believe. I only sent you said video. The other said. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that video. Yeah. React to something sent in your DM. What did you send me in DM? I have to check in phone first. I can't risk. Should I play this on stream, bro? This keyboard. Why does the keys have no symbols on it, bro? Like what is W, what is A? No alphabets? Just watch it, you will love it. Let's see.
Having experienced this, so I want to share it with all of you.
Hey, some guy texted you. He wants to know if you'll follow him back.
I'll block him if you want.
You don't need to block him, love. I trust you.
He's a new guy at work.
I know.
Pardon me.
Already creepy. This is creepy. Saheli is from West Bengal. She should apologize from her side. Why should I, bro? Why should I? I'm not doing the same things, am I? I'm the farthest thing from making money from YouTube. Nah, they are just temporary. We are waiting for keycaps to come. It's ordered. Ah, okay. Nice. Why the fuck is my English trippy today? Because you want some bullying. You want people to make fun of you for your grammar. Just watch it, you will love it.
Love, I was perusing your mobile device as I like to do daily, and I noticed you received a text message from ex-Gushing-Gilfried69 asking if you'd follow him back. Care to explain? Oh, I know he's just some new guy from work, because I'm always watching you. I've bugged your phone. I've tapped the lines. I know he's just a new guy from work. Do you intend on following him back?
But what I do need you to know is that I'm infatuated.
Why speak this way, bro? Why speak this way? This is... He's asking to be bullied by the internet. He's just asking for it.
Obsessed. And I'm captivated by you.
It's giving me the creeps. I am creeped out by this guy. Forget the girl.
I want every ounce of your soul to blend with mine.
I was getting very strong Ed Gein vibes. I was half expecting him to bring up like a meat cleaver as he was going for like her skin to wear it as a suit. And then like start crawling across the counter to get to her. He does these performances that are supposed to be sexy, trying to make women swoon over him, and it's pretty clear from the podcast as well that that's his whole brand, where he's like the Casanova. It's like he was written by 50 Shades of Grey itself. Not even the author, but the product 50 Shades of Grey wrote him. It's so concerning. Like, this isn't good to be obsessed. And like this transition from, hey, this guy wants to know if you'll follow him back, to, I need you to know I'm obsessed. I can't stop having wet dreams just even picturing your face. The way that you look at me.
Okay. I can't do this reaction for a long time. This is off topic, obviously. Let's get back to something tech. Microsoft and OpenAI are breaking up. Yep, that is another news that I saw yesterday. Apparently, now Microsoft wants to build their in-house AI bot that is supposed to compete with OpenAI and ChatGPT. What is happening in this world, man? Again? Oh, 18 hours ago. Okay, I see. This is not a new video. This is yesterday. I watched this video yesterday. Here we go, Tech with Tim, Cloud 3.7. This is sad, man. This is sad. Did you see the primetime building tower defense game in 7 days? I did. I followed his stream for like what? Total of 4 hours. I have seen it. Watch Black Mirror. It's a really good Netflix show. I have. And for those of you who haven't seen it, just watch the first episode and let me know how you liked it. Just the first episode of Black Mirror season 1 is enough to set the tone. I played that game on so many of my friends back in 2018, 2019 when it was fresh new TV series out. I used to tell them that I'm not telling you anything about Black Mirror. Just take the first episode and see it and just let me know how you liked it. And all of them were like, boom. Their minds were blown. I laughed just watching Charlie perform. Yeah, he's a funny guy. Some of the catchphrases that he says, that's about it, see you. It's something that I use in my videos as well. My old videos when I used to do tutorials. New season is coming and trailer is out too. Okay, let's watch the trailer then. We can check out TV shows trailers. Season 7 official trailer. It's 7 seasons now.
We'd like to welcome you back.
Ready?
Yeah. 3, 2.
And action.
They call it mind expanding. It alters your neuronal structure. The mind is a computer. Suddenly, we're not just more receptive. You become a receiver.
Sometimes we have to do things that we don't want to do.
I just want something magical, timeless.
Come with me.
We'll all be cyborgs before long.
Yeah.
Just remember that they're AIs. To them, this is real.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Kids love honey. That's why parents love Honey Nugs. The sweetest way to start your day.
We're getting quite a following.
Yes.
We have to create software that elevates us. Or else, what is the fucking point of the tools at our disposal?
Okay, I'm gonna get copyrighted for this. I need to trim this out. So whoever is watching this, enjoy it while it still lasts. आपको पूरी knowledge नहीं for a student. Sorry if you don't like. Great. Thank you, Jalapino.
I had never seen anything like it. Humans consider artificial life to be somehow less than them.
If you missed out on everything that I have spoken about students in my previous videos and my previous streams, that is on you. I think you have been here for like what 3 or 4 days and you are passing this judgment on me. Pathetic.
Do you have a problem with me?
What?
She was just a bit odd.
None of this is making sense to me, like what is happening here. Do you watch alien science fiction movies? Prometheus, Alien vs Predator trilogy by James Cameron. I haven't seen both of those, but yeah, I like it. I do. Recently, okay, this has nothing to do with alien science fiction, but I did watch Chava. Great movie. Amazing movie.
We're all a bit odd.
My heart is pounding like a drum.
I'd have listened.
You'd have heard her?
Yes, I would!
You are a fucking...
Your English is all over the place today.
It's a game.
Have you seen Dark? No, I don't even know. I've heard the first time.
What are most games about? Skippism? Killing.
I don't like this game.
I'm losing my mind.
This is great. This is great. This will get cut out of the stream, obviously, because I'm gonna get copyright struck. Not copyright struck, content claim, basically. That's not the same thing as copyright strike. Bhai, a bit off topic. My friend went to Delhi to study BSc and we used to talk over the phone. We would only discuss about tech and food scene. But now, after some time, the guy, whenever he talks, somehow he drags the topic into politics. Is it something you experienced? I'm thinking of avoiding him. Yes, you should avoid him. Yeah, you should. It shows me the focus is distracted now. They are no longer focused on tech or whatever. Their focus is somewhere else, and that is not a good thing. Avoid. Let me put the dish away. 1 second. Yeah. It's one of the best time travel series. Oh, I have heard it. I've heard it, but I haven't seen it. Final Destination is also coming out with a movie. Damn. Bloodlines official trailer. Great. If I say something wrong that I don't like, so I am pathetic. Wow, you're also like other. Goodbye. Yeah, sure. Goodbye, Jalapeno. The trailer is really, really good. Trust. Cut it out later. Actually, I don't need to cut it out later. YouTube will have to do it for me. भाई सिर्फ मैगी खा के पेट भर जाता है. कितना पैकेट खाते हो? Only one. Only one. I don't eat tons on tons of Maggi. Going to the gym, bro. I need to maintain this. I need to, watch. Yeah.
I got it.
The spikes right here. This is asking for trouble, man. This is asking for trouble. Okay, Jalapeno, do you need to be timed out or something? Are you feeling like very rebellious today? Is something going on with you? Do you need me to ban you or something like that? Hey, Private Fortune, welcome back. Actually, it's pronounced jalapeno, not jalapeno. But it is jalapeno. Jalapeno is spelled Japaleno. But this is Jela. This is why I'm saying it that way. Have you seen Kunal Kamra song, Thane Pe Rickshaw? Yes, I did. Who puts broken glasses near ice cubes? Nah, they're just lazy and want to die. Hope you guys are doing great. Apparently, Jalapeno is not doing so great. Let me time you out to teach you a lesson. Every now and then, this happens. Yes, so Kunal Kamra, yeah, it's funny to me. Most of these new ones, I feel like Deepak Prasad's alt accounts. Yeah, because they first have no PFP, then the name is lowercase 2, doesn't even start with capital letter. But so is your name, Ashen Keter. But anyway, I'm not trolling or whatever. Who puts broken glasses near ice cubes? Okay, bye. Exam starting in 10 minutes. Really? Damn. I have some dedicated viewers. Even before 10 minutes of the exam, they're willing to tune into my stream. Bro, they showed a whole movie in trailer itself. Why? Yeah, that's the difference between Black Mirror trailer and Final Destination trailer. This is killing off people for the sake of it. This is just like there are some things laying around and I tripped and I just stepped on something and then this chain reaction started happening where everything I touch is something that draws blood from me and I die. What is happening? Are you in Bangalore? No bro, not right now, at least. I was in Bangalore from 2014 to 2021, yeah, but not anymore. I'm right now in Jharkhand, and next year I'd be in Howrah, West Bengal. All I remember is jalapeno is a type of chili. Yep, it's used in pizzas and everything. But no, right now I'm in Bangalore. Sorry, right now I'm in Jharkhand, sorry. That's Twitch. All are lowercase dog. Oh, okay. On YouTube it's capital. Okay, I see. Oh, it makes sense. Makes sense. Cadbury bubblegum. Crazy moth. Just kill them all. This is killing them all for the sake of killing them all, I feel.
Please,
like.
I urge you, stop. Do not go
Brutal
any
Final
further.
Destination injuries. Okay, I don't want to watch this. Sorry, bro. Dr. Mike. I know it's a good guy, but yeah. 12:54 anyway. I should get to start coding actually. Arindam, work on your portfolio a little bit, bro. This guy, I love him.
All
I
right,
just love
welcome
this
to the
guy.
Whichever podcast. My name is John, and with us today we have Emily Smith, who is a 2-time New York Times bestselling author and a PhD candidate at Stanford University. Pleasure to be here. How many dudes have you been with? That's private. Oh, not dating, just sex. How many dudes have been inside you, and was that to completion? And if so, was that inside you or on you somewhere?
From Super Chat, I think you need to slow down. This bitch can't keep up.
Good idea. Let's move on. If a woman can profile me based on how tall I am, how come I can't profile her based on how much she weighs? Isn't that a double standard? Can we talk about something else? Avoiding the hard questions. How convenient, wench. Women shouldn't profile men based on how tall they are, and men shouldn't profile women based on how much they weigh. Okay, but they do. Why? Biologically speaking, height of men can be an indicator that he's a potential competitor in terms of resources, dominance, and mating success, which can potentially lead to increased competition and social dynamics. Obesity in women can negatively impact fertility, so it's entirely possible that the profiling you're talking about is nothing more than biological urges to find a suitable mate to reproduce. In a social context, a man is much more than his height, and a woman is much more than her weight. And in a personal context, I would say the only opinion that matters is your opinion of yourself. Yo, I think this chick is a dude. No, I'm not. I'm just not a f***ing idiot. But you're forming coherent sentences, and that makes me believe you're a human with a brain. Only men are capable of that. No, anybody is capable of that, just not the surface dwellers you have on your show. Your whole thing is packaged as a status quo between men and women with the goal of riling up young men to be on your side and the goal of getting young women to get pissed off at you, which leads to 1, more comments and interactions on your video, which is good, and 2, ultimately for them to come on your show as a guest. You know, because they're so aggravated that they just want to get you. But the reality is, unless you make it very clear that what you're doing is strictly entertainment, then you're actually pushing out a negative messages, because as a man, woman, right, as a man, you
I love this dude. I love this dude. Oh, you are coming to Kolkata next year. Yes, I am. I am. Thinking of redoing the portfolio into a terminal site. Great idea. Do it. He is very funny. I also watch especially Mr. Beast parody. Yeah. Yeah. You work, get money, gift me cool. Yeah, sure. Why not?
You probably watch shit like this and think, oh, this generation is cooked. I have to go to Eastern Europe to find a genuine woman who's not a complete moron. That's not the case. They exist. Well, if they exist, then why am I throwing a pink shirt on my head and playing the role of one? Why didn't we have one on the show? I said they exist. I didn't say we could ever get one. The reality is, a lot of stuff you see on social media makes the world look a lot worse than it actually is. People watch the show and they think the young generation is so fucking dumb because they watch stuff like this and they think it's real. It's not. It's entertainment. There's a reason you only have OnlyFans people on your show and not women who actually contribute to society. Because if you had a genuine conversation with a woman who could form coherent thoughts, the video would be boring as f***. Your show tries to portray that women are soulless, bottom-feeding, superficial idiots, when in reality, it's only most of them. Us. Fuck. Can I even post this? Well, obviously I can't play this, but it's just the... What the fuck?
Hey, the one who knocks. How you doing, bro? Man, this video is on my first recommendation YouTube wants me to watch this video so bad. Here's exactly why. When did you leave Kolkata? Which year? Last year, bro, when I got married. When I got married, I had to shift to Jharkhand. So my wife could go to her job and keep providing for her brother's educational needs. And yeah, last year, January 2024. We are in 2025, right? Yeah, so 2024. Or 3. No, 2024. Yeah. Do you watch SNL? Yes, I do. The joke swap thing. I do. Colin Che and Michael Che and Colin Jost. The joke swap that they do. I'm waiting for the next one to drop in. The last one was so brutal. The Woman in the Yard official trailer. Alright, so now let's get into some coding. Oh, I can run NeoVim in this. Okay. But it appears a little bit weird. Huh. Why does Theo streams look like a production grade video and not real time stream? Because it's actually a very high quality mic that he uses. It's a very high quality mic. And obviously he uses a MacBook. So, you know, he's gotten that hardware advantage. And he sent me the footage when I was doing a video with him some time ago about that sarcastic podcast. So that video was like what, 2 minutes? 2 minutes of footage that he sent me was 4 gigabytes. So did I say gigabytes? GB. Yeah, 4 GB. So it's, yeah, OpenAI break up with her girlfriend Microsoft. Yeah, missed a few streams. What are we coding today? We are actually continuing on the GST application that we were working on. Were you busy with your job and everything, Itachi, and the one who knocks? I haven't seen both of you in so long. Women in the Kitchen, Universal trailer. Okay. So we were here last time, and we had developed a authenticated route. So user organization as DB. Okay. I am again very late. Actually, you're not. You're just an hour into the stream. So I'm going to be streaming for 1 additional hour. So you're here, yeah. Yes, I was busy with my work. See, I knew. Did you get the flat, bro? Is my question. Did you get a 2 BHK with a reasonable rent? Get pull मार लेना क्योंकि कुछ UI contribution किया लोगों ने शायद. No, I don't think so. Have they? No, that's me. Last one is still me. There is a PR, configure development email server. I don't want to do this because this is using Docker. So right now, no. Maybe later into development, I will introduce Docker into the system so we can build additional modules. Vim is like way too keyboard centric. Yeah, that's the whole point, isn't it? Hey, anything I should be aware of for the job? What placement did you get, bro? Dude, I was busy with placement and stuff. Got a job yesterday. In fact, I'm talk on Discord, by the way. Oh, I see. Congratulations, first of all. Prince, it is Node.js. Pretty much simple Node.js, common JS that I'm writing right now. We will get into advanced concepts a little later into the development. And Saturday, Sunday, I was doing some mandatory company courses, the usual stuff of business essentials, posh. Nice. No, all flats are expensive, so even if I want to change, there is no option. I also need to take the commute time into consideration. Yep. Which city are you in, bro? Itachi. Bangalore, is it? So, first thing we want to do is rec.user, of course. Then I have user account in it. So rec.user, right? So so what do I set in rec.user equal to decoded? So I think it is user.id, isn't it? Let me remove the console log statements at least. Yep. Now this looks clean. No, still doesn't look clean. Let me remove this else condition. Let the sky fall when it crumbles. We will stand tall, face it all. Together, let the sky fall when it crumbles. Hey Abhinesh, NeoVim has no debugger. No, I don't think it does. It does. It made. Yeah, there may be a debugger somewhere. I don't know how to access that yet. We will stand tall. Console log, the only debugging that matters. Hinjawadi Gaon. Oh, okay. Hinjawadi. Okay. Pune. Oh, Pune. Nice. Well, I'll be working on Python or Flutter. I'll be getting training for 9 months firstly. It's a service-based company in Noida. Good for you, man. Good for you. Did you set up NeoVim on stream? Did I miss it? No, I didn't. I got it done through Marcos, one of my viewers, off of my video on NeoVim. I posted it. He was convinced. He was sold on teaching me NeoVim, and he got connected with me off stream, just me and him on a Google Meet call, and he basically took AnyDesk and set up everything for me. How many hours did it take? Like 2 hours? 3 hours? 2 hours? Yeah. Hey Oshino Meme, long time no see, bro. Where are you? What are you up to? You know, a new IT bill allows Government of India to access WhatsApp messages and social media of all Indian citizens. Great. Great. Fuck privacy. Who needs it, man? If you have nothing to hide, then why do you... Yeah, this is good. Okay, so let's... I want to learn too. Index route, right? So index route would contain invoices and customers. I'm thinking of sending those two things in the initial route. So basically there would be two models. So let's see what models I have now. Email OTP, index, organization, unit, users, user organization. Okay, so I will send customers and I'll send invoices. NeoVim has no debugger. Oshino meme, let me know where have you been, bro, all this time. It's been so long since I've seen you. I just uploaded my resume in Career Advice Discord. Could you please review? We will stand tall, face it all. Together, let the sky fall. This link is not clickable, bro. Make this email is clickable, but this LinkedIn link is not. So you may want to check into that. First, feedback: front end, React, Redux, JavaScript, TypeScript, Spring, Java, Express, Node, SQL and Postgres, DevOps and containerization, Kubernetes and Docker, version control, GitHub Lab, soft skills, bias for action and deliver results. Maybe remove the soft skills part. Maybe remove this. Education, PSNA College, September 2020 to Dindigul. What's Dindigul mean, bro? Is it a place? It is a good looking resume. I'll give you that. Use Overleaf for your resume. Pretty good. Bye Sid, gotta help with Eid preparation and all. Yeah, bye bro. Come back in my next stream next week. Yeah, Overleaf is great. Bro, your last code, you're returning a response, but after the return there is no more code which would not be reachable. Nah, it's alright. Let it be not reachable. At the end of, you're talking about the middleware, right? This one, right? If token. Then at the end, I am returning REST JSON token not provided. Actually, I should say invalid request, realistically. And I should also send a status 500. Yeah. Token is not valid. This should send a status of 400. How can I send my resume for review? You can send it in Discord. You can send it in Twitch chat, because apparently YouTube would not allow you to send in a link. But you can join my Discord and you can send it there. Anyway, experience, could XC security, software engineer, 2021. Okay, so you have 4 years experience, bro. That is great. Threat Navigator in Object Project, UI and integration. Is there any link that I can see? Only 1 page resume. That is great. Yeah. Coursework, DSA, UI UX design with Figma, advanced React, HTML CSS in depth. First of all, please remove the in-depth part. There is no depth in HTML and CSS, bro. Version control, programming with JavaScript. Just write HTML, CSS and JavaScript. That's it. I started applying for jobs, but you know what I'm getting? Unfortunately, this position is no longer available. Yeah. That sucks. Even for a 4-year experienced guy, this is the condition. Fitness, nutrition, food and self-improvement. That is great. Bravo Award, Nagara Vision Kodelsky Group. That is great. This is good. You've got a good resume. I don't see why you would face any problems. But what are you looking for as a front end, as a full stack? What are you looking for? Might want to add in a line that I'm looking for a full stack position or something like that, so the recruiter is clear. Yeah, everybody is screwed. Prince, don't think that we have years of experience, so it's all easy for us. Sorry, bro, was busy with college and studies. Yeah, it's all right. I'm just asking where you were. It's okay, my mistake. Saw something else. Bhai, upar wala message bhi. I've started applying for jobs. Oh, okay. Yep, not able to get one interview, bro. I feel bad. No, don't feel bad, bro. Don't feel bad. You will be landing a position in no time. It's all right. Me with 1 year experience at the corner. Oh, you're live yet again. This is Sunday, bro. Sunday chill stream is mandatory. I can miss out on Saturday streams, but not on Sunday streams. Sunday I'm always here. Thanks, Sid, for the feedback. Yeah. Welcome, bro. Okay. My Harsh. You look dapper, bro. You're a good looking guy. Flutter Dev, Triple IT Bhagalpur, Code Chef Max 1521, Cybersecurity Enthusiast. Nice. Bachelor of Technology, BTech. Okay. So, Indian Institute of Information Technology, Bhagalpur. You're from Bihar, bro. Shout out Bihar. KV, DRDO, Class 12, 91%. Nice. Oh. C, C++, Python, Dart, SQL, Flutter, Node.js, Express, Firebase, Supabase, Git, GitHub, Postman, Figma, Android Studio, VS Code, Cloudinary, DSA, OOP, DBMS, OS, REST API, REST System Design. Does few months of gap matters as the market is not so good? Finding a job is taking some time. No, it doesn't matter. Depends how you sell it. One feedback, Nova, you may need to add some gap right here. The same gap that is between languages and frameworks is the same gap between work experience and vital apps and CS fundamentals and work experience. You may need to space it out a little bit so it's clear. WBot. Yeah. Check GitHub. Dart GPT, Instagram clone, and Mosam. The GitHub contribution is not looking so good, bro. 2023. You did not code at all. Actually, it might be company project or might be a college student. I don't know. 2025 in February, you literally did nothing. Sent it on Discord. Can you review my resume as well? Itachi, you have a job, man. Why do you need me to review it? But I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. One second. Whiter apps, remote. Jan 2024 to February 2024. Just 1 month? Oh, intern. Oh, okay. I see. Children gaming app, improved navigation, reducing friction, contributed to the development of 2+ interactive games, refining gameplay mechanics, increasing engagement, implemented blog state management, optimizing app performance and reducing UI-related crashes by 20%. Nice. Dart GPT. Feb 2025 to Feb 2025. This is a college project, I would think. November 2024 to December 2024. June 2024 to July 2024. But oh, I call cap, bro. This is actually August, September, and it's actually December. Okay, December one holds up, but your June and July one doesn't. Hey, you got caught, bro. You got caught in 4K. I am in second year. Oh, okay. Formulated a weather app using Flutter, integrated with Open Weather API, achieved 98% accuracy in real-time weather data retrieval during testing. Remove this part. Remove this part. It doesn't matter. No one is impressed by the accuracy percentage. No one. Utilize smart location permissions using the geolocator package, defaulting to New Delhi if denied. Features include city search for weather updates and have a server time response of 250 millisecond. Might want to remove that as well. Nobody is impressed with response times for a simple weather app. So, you know, accurate hourly forecast and user-friendly UI. Reduced API call latency by 30%. Remove this 30%. Just say reduce API call latency. Tested across 10 devices. Devices, you should say platforms. Like iPad or phone or anything like that. No need to add project timeline, I guess. You could add it. I mean, it doesn't hurt. But be careful of guys like me who will catch you on these things. Oh, is that 3 LPA for a part-time job decent? Yeah, why not? I spend roughly 30-40 hours a month. First of all, 30-40 hours is not part-time. It is full-time. 40 hours, if you achieve it, this is full-time. Now I want to get my GitHub profile reviewed, roasted, haha. Yeah, why not? Good profile. This is good. It will improve with time, I suppose. But yeah. Ooh. I don't like the blue color. I like this a lot better. This format. But that's a personal opinion. Don't take it for granted. Just because I said it doesn't mean that this is how it is. LinkedIn is clickable and GitHub is also clickable. Might want to open up GitHub in a new tab. First feedback. Sayush might need to add a target blank to this link. So it opens up in new tab. Good photo. Possess extensive experience of nearly 3 years in the IT industry with a dedicated focus on software engineering and delivering impactful solutions. Do you know what? This says Telstra. I almost read it as Tesla. Itachi, shut the fuck up, kid. We know you are rich. Gift a Miku skin already. It's turning a little bit sad, GD11 at this point. It was funny some time ago, but now it's going towards sadness. Added those numbers just to push the ATS scores. Should I remove? Okay, if it is for the ATS, then don't. I would say don't. Don't remove it. Found an alternative for man pages, good for beginners. TLDR, you can try it, will give a simple overview of the command. I too added the percentage. A company that came to our college to offer internships rejected all of those students who made their resumes with any template or AI. Great. Great. They deserve it actually. By platforms you would recommend for job search like you used in your time. Indeed and LinkedIn. These two are the ones I used. Actually, you can even take a look at this, my profile on LinkedIn. I made sure to add this tag right here. This thing you see, right? LinkedIn helped me get this job. This is what I added. Because this job that I got, it was completely based on LinkedIn. Responsibilities include driving software development initiatives and ensuring project success, proficient in diverse range of programming languages and frameworks, including C++, JavaScript, SQL, complemented by advanced skill in front-end technologies like React and Vue, enabling the development of robust, scalable web apps tailored to client needs. Achieved a 94% reduction in product vulnerabilities. This means nothing, bro. But if it is for the ATS score, like Nova said, then keep it, otherwise remove it. Just said achieved reduction in project vulnerabilities. Just remove the percentage. If it is necessary for ATS, keep it, but otherwise, yeah. Enhanced overall code quality and standards using SonarQube and optimized API responses from TMF APIs for precise tablet display as per project requirements. Monitor transitioning a legacy Vue 2 app to legacy Vue 3, significantly enhancing performance user satisfaction. See, this point is so brilliantly done. This is so simple, and it says what it needs to say. No percentages, no nothing. Gained expertise in managing complete LCLC, including design, development, enhancements, and customization, requirement gathering, analysis, testing, coding, customer support, and training. This is also good. Exhibited strong leadership, collaboration, communication skills, fostering a positive team environment, and engaging effectively with stakeholders. Delivered quality software solutions by collaborating with cross-functional teams, meeting project milestones with attention to detail and adaptability. Nice. July 2022 to present, so you have 3 years of experience. Oh, actually a lot more. 2021, so you have 4 years experience. Remove these icons, bro. Remove these icons. Keep it simple. Might want to check a little bit padding over here. This icon is almost touching this part. Might want to make it a little bit nicer. Bottom space is little bit there, so just move it a little bit down. I never made it funny. I was always serious. Keep telling yourself that, bro. I took it as funny. मेरे resume इनके comparison में तो खाली है. I don't like this template. Personal opinion? Okay. Miku. I have shared my resume as well on your Discord. Okay, let me check one sec. Let me... Core competency, soft skill and education. This is also a little bit nitpicking here, but these icons are touching the top line right here. Might want to introduce some padding. Continuous integration deployment, database management strategy, software development cycle, performance optimization techniques. Oh, you are a motivational leader. That is great. Strategic thinker, collaborator, communicator, innovator. Bro, please give us some motivation, man. We could really use it. Bachelor of Technology in Information Technology, Veer Mata Jirabai Technological Institute, VJTI, Mumbai. Nice. You're from Mumbai. Space Junior Science College, Borivali, Mumbai. Okay. 10th from Lakshadham High School, Goregaon East, Mumbai. ICSE board. Oh, you are ICSE board kid. Okay, I see. Again with the icon right here. Your resume is good, but it is so close to being good. Nitpick the smallest things in your resume, fix it, and it is a great resume to look at. Languages: C++, JavaScript, SQL, HTML, CSS, React.js, Material UI, Bootstrap, Next, Axios, Vue.js, Beautify, Jest, Node.js, Express, Mongoose, Git, GitLab, GitHub, Pivotal, Cloud Foundry. Okay, I don't know what Pivotal Cloud Foundry is. Never heard of it. Damn. MySQL, Postgres, Neo4j, MongoDB, Firebase, Real-Time Database, SonarQube, Coverity, Veracode. 18th September 1999. Damn, you're 6 years younger than me. So you're 6 years younger than me, which means you are 26 right now. Enjoy your youth, bro, while it still lasts. English, Hindi, Marathi, and Konkani, Pune, India. You're from Pune, bro. You have lots of opportunities around you. Pune is a great city to be in. Got updated real-time neat. Yes, I'm not satisfied. I paid for the resume services. Almost 3. Sure, I feel that icons are too much. Too much info squeezed together, and emojis, icons, whatever you call it. I call it icons, yeah. Would remove personal details too, and icons. Icons I think are fine to keep, but make it look a little bit nicer is what I would say. If you have the core, if you have the project file, if you have some control over these things, maybe try to replace it. Wait, why would you do that? 25. Hey yo. Hey, the weekend. Welcome back. What's your current CTC? I paid 1,000 rupees. I wouldn't say that this is bad for 1,000 rupees. Prince Sony. Okay, new tab. Prince. Hey, I have seen you before. I feel like I've seen this resume before. Vexa AI is certified. Yeah, I've seen it. Post space. This is a good resume. Yeah, this is good. But I feel like I have seen your resume before. Now this is a clean resume. Yeah, resume is very clean. Right out the gate, I'm impressed by the things right here. With 99% uptime. Why would you say 99% uptime, bro? Let me show you something, what 99% uptime is. So 99% of 365. Okay, so 365 minus 361, what does that mean? That your app was down for 4 days straight. This is a bad look. Don't do it. Just add 99.9. I see. 99.9. Okay, let's see. 99.9. 364. So for a whole day, your application was down. Collaborated. Okay, it's considerable. Collaborated in agile teams, ensuring 95% sprint success. Okay, how did you measure that? How do you measure 95% sprint success? And adhering to strict Git workflows. Improving data caching efficiency by 40%. Improving UI UX by 30%. Reducing load time by 25%. This is for ATS, right? Tell me that this is for the ATS. Haha, a little BS. 99.99% bacteria. But this is a good one. I would say this is a good resume. Very clean. Spacings are good. Just one page, one certification. Intern shala, throw that certification in the gutter when you eventually land the job. and other interests and hobbies, GPUs and their impact on machine learning, including model training and large scale computations. Nice. I'm pretty sure I can Photoshop one of these to say my name. Only I have to replace is this Prince Sony and just put my name right there, and boom, I have got an Internshala certificate. But anyway, good resume. I sent GitHub in DM, not on the server. I made it in Figma. It's completely free for me. Oh, okay. You have reviewed my project before. I'm just an average dev. No, Itachi, we are all average. Out of these, which one is the best? Peeps get paid for that. Where do I list my services? Resume building, you mean, Aryan? You need to be somewhat of a agency. You need to be somewhat of a company to create resumes for other people. Our college forced us to do it from Internshala on 3rd year. Ah, I see. It's actually in an inside Fetch the PDF editor. This is actually a inside job for colleges to do this. They tie up with services like Internshala just to push their students. Dimple's portfolio website domain is up for sale. dev.dimple.me. Really? Her website is down. You know what I found? Like not real link, not working for me. Yeah, I think it's taken down. Anyway, other any more resumes? Kidambi, I am Brahma, passionate developer and security engineer from India, currently working on Aero Linux. Now what is Aero Linux? Secure node Aero Linux. Custom Linux distribution based on Arch Linux with a lot under the hood tweaks and tools to improve the user experience. Nice! This is dope. This is actually dope. You don't have any stars and things like that? Let me give you the star. Stargazer. Where do I... Yeah. First star. You got it from me. Currently learning Next.js, Next.auth, Go and Swift. oxrama.com. Oh, I see. Now I see. Okay. This is you. You have a blog. Oh, blog not found. Might want to remove this then. You write in Perl, bro. Shell, Python, Makefile, Assembly, and C. Nice. Total stars earned 2. Total commits 36. Total PRs 2. Total issues contributed to last year. Coding streak is not that good. Yeah, you need to put some more commits. 2025 doesn't look good. So many days you did not do anything. Yeah, still working. Who is this guy? I want to connect. Haven't shown to anyone yet. Yeah, I'll remove it. This guy, we know him. English. Your English is all over the place today, G Demon. I also have certification from GUI for C, SQL and Java. Lol, college made me do it. Colleges do make you do it just so they can pile up certifications a little bit to make you think that you are moving in the right direction. Yeah, that happens. Yeah, we thought it would be kind of internship, but we came to know it was just a course. Happens with everybody. I need to sit down a little bit. Yeah, good enough. Yeah, I usually work in GitLab. GitHub just few projects, mostly for Vercel. Oh, I see. But then if you have GitHub link shown to everybody, they're gonna judge you based on what you have right here, isn't it? I think that this matters. I like to tell myself that it matters, but I don't think it matters. Hey Prajwal, long time no see, bro. Where have you been? I have shared my resume in Career Advice channel. Please review. Third year undergrad. Okay. Clean resume. Right out the gate. Dharmshala, Himachal Pradesh. Hey, we're from Himachal Pradesh. Nice. The LinkedIn link is not clickable. GitHub is not clickable. Email is clickable. Okay. NIT Hamirpur. You're from NIT, bro. That is great. 2022 to 2026. Experience full stack engineer, founding member. Your October 2024 to current. So a year of experience. SDE intern. July to September. Okay. Next, React, Fast API, Docker, Kubernetes, Boto 3, Azure, Razorpay, Tailwind. Developed a cloud agnostic interface for seamless node and service management across AWS, Azure, and on-premise with a React UI and Fast API backend. Automated VM provisioning using Boto 3 Azure SDK. Implemented one-click deployments implemented K3s. Integrated GitHub, Hugging Face, and Google Drive APIs for artifact handling. Support with Caddy, enable Razorpay powered billing. This is good. I would say this is a good way to write descriptions. Yeah. Everybody take note how this guy has done this, and you might want to copy it. Sorry to encourage everybody to copy your resume, Shreyansh. Tech stack used, A core maintainer of Flowwise, a no-code visual editor with drag and drop backend creations, enabling 5x faster workflow automations. Built custom nodes, global undo redo functionality, and optimized UI with node ID editing. Implemented dev tooling for debugging, reducing user errors by 40%. Again with the percentages. Does that matter? Bro was gonna code from 1. Did you watch the Gabriel Iglesias show? No, I haven't. I'm not sure if I like him that much. Just one of those comedians that is okay, in my opinion. That's the opinion. Don't get triggered. Optimize workflow and automation by implementing composite nodes, reducing node count from 200 to just 15, improving efficiency by 90%, cutting deployment time by 50%. Please tell me that this is for ATS. Integrated level studio. Okay, first of all, you may want to work on a little bit spacing right here, Shreyansh. This is jammed up a little too close to each other. Implemented label studio for scalable data ingestion workflow, reducing manual labeling effort by 60%. Technical skills, library framework, Tailwind, Next, React, Node, okay. Other tech, Docker, Kubernetes, cloud services, Bash scripting, relevant coursework, OS, DBMS, computer networks, DSA. Projects, official website, NITH CSE department's official website. Can I click it? Can't click it, neither the certificate. Might want to look into this, Shreyansh. Led a team of 6 developers to build, launch the official NIT, Node.js and MySQL improvement, implemented centralized system to track, enhancing collaboration, 150 plus researchers, increasing research visibility by 30%. Designed a user-friendly dynamic platform, dedicated news announcement section, resulting in a 40% increase in user engagement, 25% reduction in information retrieval time. View website. There is written view website, can't click it. Fix it, Shreyansh. Have to pass that damn ATS. How is the festival going, guys? Yes, it is. I think it's a template in overleaf. Just a question why instead of. Just drop the overleaf templates onto the channel. If anyone needs to make a resume, just use those. Goddamn ATS. It's a little bit cringe though when I see these things. View certificate, but not clickable. Good resume. I feel like this is what overleaf, like as other people said, but you may want to fix your issues with website and certificate clicks and your LinkedIn and GitHub clicks. My wife is watching the live stream right now. Hello wife, how you doing? My wife is screaming at me. Why am I not wearing clothes? What does she know? She is in her office sitting in the AC, air conditioner all around, while I'm out here in this warm weather boiling my butt off. It's a bit hypocritical. Why not use colorful template? It'll catch the attention of recruiters. Just drop the overleaf templates onto the channel. If anybody needs to make a resume, just use those. Introduce Bhavi. I guess she's my wife is yelling at me in WhatsApp right now. Colors and ATS don't go hand in hand. Yeah, don't do colors. I would say that as well. Don't do colors. Anyway, good resume, Shreyansh. Just wants to just have to fix a little bit padding and a little bit the view certificates and LinkedIn profile, GitHub profile clicks. You need to make those things clickable. Let me send a voice note to my wife. 1 second. खुद तो एसी में बैठी हुई है और मेरे को बोल रही है कपड़ा नहीं पहने हुए हैं. Man, my YouTube shorts recommendation is all over the place. Wait a minute, I will drop my resume. Yeah, sure, do it. Something was wrong with PDF, I think. I've just shared the PDF with links working. Okay, maybe use this. Model simple ATS friendly. Latex. First of all, why does it say latex? Open as template, view source, view PDF. Let the sky fall. Yeah, fair. You missed my text because I've been wanna see your reaction on that. It was a resume roast. Where is your message, Akshay? Not registered. Oh wow. Where is John Doe written? Hey, that is great. That is great. I will use this. Did anybody else drop their resume? This server is just a promotion server at this point. Yeah, why not? Promote your things, man. I would never discourage that among my viewers. If you build something, if you want eyes on it, go for it. Share it. Can I keep my education part on end? I didn't perform that well in 12th. You can, but you should is the question. Does few months of gap matters? Okay, I think I... what about Glassdoor? I don't like this template. I don't know Glassdoor, man. I can't trust Glassdoor ever since they got into that controversy of sharing people's information around. Damn, another Hyderabadi. Why Hyderabadi people can't exist? Is there a problem with them? I have shared my resume. Okay, Akshay, I think your message kind of got lost somewhere. Check tech chat. Maggie khaya aaj. Yes, I did. Yo, where to send the resume? Discord or Twitch? Anywhere you can send. Got your certification, bro. That's a good one. I told you we can Photoshop it. Visual editor to have decent editing experience. I mostly use Overleaf for my papers and assignments. Hey, beauty appreciator. आपका wife क्या काम करते हैं? She is an HR manager. Human resource. Where to get nice resume templates? Right here. Modern, simple, ATS friendly, latex CV. Right here. Overleaf.com. I said that because I'm a Hyderabadi myself. But what did you say, Akshay? What did you say? Kidambi, neither I am. I'm just went there for work. Discord unblock me. No, I won't. You deserved it. And I'm not gonna review your resume, Rajesh. Your behavior is something that I cannot forgive. How you behaved with me on Discord. You play racing games. Have you played Trackmania? I have played Trackmania. I watched so many videos of Trackmania being like this amazing game with so many jumps and physics and everything. When I played it, I was like, give or take, this is good, but it's not that impressive. Oh no, HR. Suki you. Yeah, what's the problem with HR, bro? Last racing game I played was NFS Heat, Need for Speed. It was good. It was eh. And Need for Speed Payback is something that I was excited for before I got this laptop. So when I got it, I finally downloaded NFS Payback. I found it meh. Didn't like it that much. Need for Speed Hot Pursuit 2010 was the best racing game I think I played. This one. Look at these graphics. This is so good. And Need for Speed The Run. The Run was such an amazing game. I have finished it like 4 or 5 times now. I enjoyed it so much, that game. I play Forza just to chill sometimes. Yeah, Forza is a very good chill game. I have played Forza Horizon 5 and liked it. It's a good game. If you turn up the difficulty, it gets real tough. So I had to play it in easy mode, of course. Have you played Road Rash? Of course, everybody has played Road Rash. Any gamer worth their salt, if they haven't played Road Rash, they don't have the right to call themselves a gamer. I don't think that. Road Rash is a mandatory prerequisite for calling yourself a gamer. I sent you a resume in Discord. Check out that. Okay. Where is it? I have received so many resumes now. Okay, right away. This is bad. This is bad formatting. Improve this a little bit. Putting in LinkedIn profile like this makes it a little bit ugly. So might want to have that LinkedIn icon and then get the word LinkedIn. Clicking on it, it opens up a new tab. It should be that way. The next frontier.blog. GitHub.com William Hackspear. Okay. 2025. Not much coding going around. 2024. Not much going around as well. 2023. Not much. Headline generator app. Jupyter. Mission success prediction. Mission success prediction? Craft degree classification. Fake news classification. Web crawling algorithms. That guy is kind of lazy. Yeah, it does seem like it. No effort. Oh, there's a semicolon right here. October 2024 semicolon January 2025. Reviewed and assessed transcripts of LLM agents in a wide range of tasks like Flask server debugging, CTF task, ML experiment setup, identifying and documenting errors. Created. Okay, this is ugly. I would say this looks ugly. Format it a little bit, man. Look at all of this. It seems like just one point is going on and on. Oh, there is no padding right here. The guy said, I'm getting a full page on Google Docs. I'm using all of it. Man, this is painful. This is straight into the garbage bin. Should I even include my GitHub? Because it's empty, I don't code much after work. Don't then. Then don't. Showcase your projects, showcase what you have built. That's way better than showing somebody your GitHub. This is straight into the garbage bin resume. Akshay. Top padding is this much and bottom padding is this much. Yeah, this is not getting through any recruiter, I would feel like. Make it 3 pages if you have to, but format it a little bit. I was this guy, that's why I paid for the resume. Dude, I have sent you my resume. Okay, checking your resume 1 second. He works on private repos. Currently working for UK government on AI security stuff. That is good. Good for the guy. Which SEM should I start doing internships? The last one. Hey guys, that's nice. Resume review seems like everyone's onto something. Customize your LinkedIn URL. Yep, that's what I said. Yeah. But this resume is so far the worst one I have seen. The formatting is abysmal. It's terrible. But yeah, checking yours now. Okay. Lot better. First one, let me see Prajwal's 1 second. Where am I downloading these many resumes? So in downloads folder. Okay, I need to remember that. I'm collecting resumes like a recruiter now. Okay, I like the formatting. Prajwal, a little bit feedback. Education and skills are not on the same line. You may want to look into this. Projects and certification are not in the same line. You may want to fix this. Otherwise, a good one. Education and skills has this weird padding right here. Let me show you how. This padding, this area right here. Get rid of this. Okay. LinkedIn.com okay, first of all, no text is selectable. You need to work on making these texts selectable. It seems like you have taken some images and you have put it and assembled it. It seems like that. Then LinkedIn, of course, you need to have a proper LinkedIn URL right here. Dude, I've sent you my check out one of the real good I've just sent. Yeah, that one is good. Nikhil Guru, right? This one. This is a good one. The text are selectable. LinkedIn opens in the first in the same tab. Techolution. Okay. Look at this. Objective has a space and then a semicolon and then no space. Enthusiastic and self-motivated, fresher. Fix these small things a little bit, you know. Then place has space right here, but phone number doesn't. Then mail has it and then LinkedIn has it. These small things matter, bro. It matters. Bangalore BCA and PCMB. Okay, so you're a BCA student, 7.82. Okay. You may want to remove out of 10 CGPA. Everybody knows it's out of 10 CGPA. Sharp browser. GitHub.com froze punk, but I can't click it. I can't actually open up a new tab and see it. Shadow trace, same thing right here. Can't see it. Voice based chat assistant, same thing. And projects is a little bit all over the place, bro. First project is on the left. Second one on the left, third one on the right. You may want to move this over to the left side. It seems like a little bit splattered all across. Put it above co-curricular activities and move co-curricular activities down. So at least there is a somewhat of a, weird mail by the way. prajwaltechjobs@gmail.com. May want to take a new email, bro. This email doesn't look great. Sid is giving us a job now. I have given jobs on my Discord server, bro. Alpha, Riddler, Squirtle, and Avi. These 4 people have worked with me so far. And now the next one is Abhiman Parwar, if I'm remembering the name correctly. He will be the 5th one to work with me. Looks like I can really charge people to build their resume, haha. But not for long, until they hear the Overleaf project right here. Then you can't. Your business will close before it even starts. Feels good talking shit about resumes as a second sem student, haha. Just use Overleaf, don't have to care much about formatting. Yeah. So anyway, Prajwal, there you go, bro. That's the feedback I have. Okay, this one. Experience, Techolution Private Limited, Hyderabad. Okay, Hyderabad guy. Spearheaded LLM agentic workflows, GenAI lead. Again with the percentages. 30% increase in sprint velocity, 25 reduction in time to market for AI features. I need to Google this. Should I mention percentage reductions and optimizations on my resume? how percentages on their resumes. Normally just make it up. You can honestly estimate or give a range. You can say increasing sales by 30-40%. You can say something like transform weekly reporting workflow, reducing reporting generation time by 66%. Yeah, it's just made up, isn't it? Overleaf is good, but can use in new UI for non-tech guys. Maybe I should build that. How to send resume, where to send. Striver, I think I have seen your resume before, but on Discord basically. Rishabh Sontake. Okay, let me see. Okay, I'm already impressed. A little feedback. May want to reformat this a little bit. Make it look nice with LinkedIn icon, then LinkedIn, and make that clickable. That way it will look a lot better. But I'm impressed by how you put your phone number right here, your socials right here, and your name in the center. This is a good format, I would say. This is a good one. Where the hell you see my resume, bro? Before, I think you have sent it before. Discord or Twitch? Discord, bro. Links in description. Oh, okay. Gonna be honest, the percentages are encouraged, but I have no clue how they look if it's an experienced person, because they'll know it's nothing effective. Yeah, that's what it is. What video you have sent me, bro? Intel Accelerated. Introducing new ribbon FET and Power VIA technologies. What is it about? Okay, we'll get to this. I am a dynamic and proactive computer science graduate, passionate. Okay, little bit grammatical mistakes. Don't mix cases like this, bro. Passionate and platform engineering. Platform engineering is fine, but the passionate P should be small. Did I just say P should be small? SRE, with a focus on building high performance, scalable, reliable, and highly available microservices. I am always eager to collaborate, expand my knowledge, contribute to cool open source projects, and build thriving global communities abreast of cutting edge cloud native tools and technologies. Nice. Vehicle remote. June 2023 to June 2024. Exactly 1 year. Freelance. Oh, okay, freelance. I am correctly positioned on the camera, right? Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, Waypoint, again with the percentages, optimized infrastructure cost by 21%. Great. MSc computer application, LPU. Oh, you're from LPU, bro. Great. BSc Information Technology, BAMU University, India. Nice. Go, Python, Shell, YAML, SQL, NoSQL, Linux, Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, KubeVirt, AWS, GitHub Actions, Argo CD, Datadog. Nice. NixOS, DevOps, GitHub, CI/CD logging, monitoring, OpenTelemetry, OpenZT, Ngrok. Nice. Projects. Can I click on these projects? Oh, I can. That's good. May want to open this in a new tab. That would be better. It's LPU online just for parent satisfaction. Nice. Do you recommend sticking to basic resume templates or stuff from Canva? I actually recommend Overleaf right here. Overleaf, this one. Yeah, stick to this. This is a lot better than everything else that I've seen. Internal developer platform, Go key value store. Prometheus exporter, Golang package. Nice. My camera is getting a little bit hot now. I mean, my phone is kind of heating up in this warm weather. For 2 hours, I've been using it. Yeah. So wiping it with a wet cloth will cool it down a little bit. Sorry about this. Yeah. LPU online, what is that? LPU online meaning that a remote course, an online course from LPU University, I feel like. No resume from Rianch College. Hey Riddler, I dropped 2 overleaf templates, choose whichever suits you. Okay. Actually, bro hates Big P, just kidding. Yo, can you send me the latex link? It's overleaf, bro. Just Google it. You will get it. I don't like the description below the name. Personal opinion, of course. Below the name. No, actually, this is encouraged. This is good. You should give out a 2-liner about yourself. This is an acceptable practice. So it is too hot for the camera. No, she is not watching anymore. I'm sure she's back to her work. But anyway, good resume. Yeah, pretty neat. Just improve the LinkedIn and GitHub icons, and that's it. Good to go. Yeah. Ylac X Instagram publications. Man, this guy has done publications. Nice. Projects. AI 0-day attack detection and prevention. Kali Linux. Hey, that is hardcore. Electron.js, Node.js paper. Designed a desktop application capable of utilizing shell scripts to detect and prevent 0-day and 10 other malicious network-based attacks. Mad respect to Bhavi. Actually, it's her office. They are kind of dicks, you know. And it's a 30 March. You know what that means. Financial year close. So they have called her today as well. Saradhi AI. Analyze DSA chatbot. Recognitions and awards. Damn, these many awards. Recruiters when they see AI. Yeah. All right. These are the resumes as of now. Anybody wants to send me anything, please do. I'll continue doing this. Opinion on RHEL certifications. I don't know what REL certifications are, bro. Honestly. Okay, my camera is still working, right? Yeah, it is working. But what is this? Ribbon FET and Power VR technologies.
This delivers faster transistor switching speeds, which ultimately enables higher performance. With one stack of nanoribbons, we can achieve the same drive current as...
Oh, I see. Red Hat Enterprise. I mean, it can't hurt. So take it. It's not gonna hurt you or anything. So why not? Recruiter when they saw AI, but actual job is to fix center a dev. That's just the reality, bro. That's just the reality.
Multiple fins, but in a smaller footprint. And the flexibility of the ribbon FET design enables the width to be modulated to accommodate multiple applications. Beyond ribbon FET, Intel's relentless quest for performance led it to look beyond transistor design for additional gains.
Are there any certifications that stand out to you on a resume? No. Projects do. Certifications, I'm like, take it or leave it kind of basis. Because you can buy a certificate if you want. Throw money at anything. A college degree you can buy. You can buy certification. You can buy recommendation. You can buy basically anything that you want. None of that stands out to me. Your college certification, I guess. College name does stand out to me a little bit. When I see that somebody is from BITS Pilani or IIT or something like that, it does stand out to me. But certifications, nah, take it or leave it. I will never be able to tell if you actually attended the certification course material, you actually learned something, or you actually put in the effort. I can never tell. You could have just bought your way into it. Who knows?
Enter PowerVia. PowerVia will be a first of its kind backside power delivery scheme that solves one of the biggest issues facing computing today: interconnect bottlenecks. Traditional interconnect technology sits on top of the transistor layer.
Okay, this is a little bit too low level, I feel like. Isn't it? Yeah, this is too low level. So far beyond my understanding of what this is. And the comments are turned off. And also this is 3 years ago. So why hasn't it hit the mass market just yet? Ghibli image trend. Take it or leave it. I'm not gonna participate in it because I'm a fan of Miyazaki, that guy who thinks that AI is an abomination and an insult to humans, human creativity. So yeah.
Here are 3 mistakes that a lot of people in their 30s or 40s make. Number 1 is that they continue to do the same thing for months and years, which is they work on the same set of tools, same technology, same client, same product, same company, same manager. They just continue to do that for years. Okay. And the bad news is that you think you are stable, but
projects that actually stand out and deserve some light. Would love to see a series where you review members' projects. Saw someone in the Discord have this amazing cross-platform clipboard function. Yeah, I also saw it. Android, you have to install an app, then a web app, then not a web app, more like a project that you have to run on your local. And Striver, just get the Discord server link, man. It's in the description box. Thorat, welcome to the stream, bro. I think you have been here before. Where to send resume? Discord in introduction or lounge? Career advice, actually. Career advice channel. Shreyans Chaudhary. You have the same surname as me, except that I am Chaudhary. Choudhary. Oh, this guy is coding. Nice. This guy puts in the time. That's a good look, Shreyansh. That is a good look. Nice. Happy for you. Full stack feels like rat race now. Also boring in my opinion. I'm into NixOS now. Too much fun and fuck ton of money in there. Okay, good for you, bro. What does that mean? Whoa, first ADV in ever. Huh? Send it in career advice or private fortune is finally here. So many people joined today. This is crazy. Alright, let's see yours. Parmar Lakman. Lucky Parmar at 737 linkedin.com. Oh, this page does not exist. Your LinkedIn is faulty, Parmar. GitHub, okay. Good, good. 2024, this much. 2025, this much. So you're coding a lot more. This is great. Oopsie, oopsie, oopsie. Yeah. You may want to add couple lines describing you, Parmar or Parmar. I'm not sure how do I say that. I downloaded Discord app on my laptop finally and have joined a few groups. Okay, okay. Yeah, I just send you my resume. Is Git contribution really matters that much, Sid? Because recruiter won't see these things, right? They will. They will. If you put your GitHub link, they will. Actually, I will, and most recruiters will. But does it matter? I would say yes. It does matter a little bit. Java, Python, types, JavaScript, SQL, TypeScript, Spring Boot, Node, Express, REST, microservice, React and Next, Postgres, MongoDB, MySQL, Git, Docker, Kubernetes, AWS, EC2, Postman, DSA, DBMS, computer networks, SyncSphere, Tech Stack, Next.js, PostgreSQL, Clerk, Prisma, LiveKit. Developed a real-time communication platform with server servers and role-based access. Can I click the live demo? I can. That is good. Create, it says create next app. You want to fix this, Striver. I assume that it is you, so you may want to fix it. It says create next app. Oh, you use upload thing for file sharing. Nice. How do you guys know this much? Aryan, it's actually exaggerating your skills a little bit. Parman, send the whole syllabus on God. Arogya Setu, Python, WhatsApp API, OpenAI, Whisper and Gemini 1.5. Smart Stay, Superbase, Java Spring. 16 REST API endpoints. Remove this. Remove the number 16. Remove it. I don't care about the REST API. This makes you look like a fool. Remove it. Engineered REST API endpoints. That's it. Remove the 16. Implemented robust security features using Sprint Security and JWT authentication. First of all, if you haven't hit the like button, do it now. Implemented robust security features using Sprint Security. Bro, I have 3 years of experience, mostly worked in Flutter and React Native, still not able to switch. Current tech market is not good. I don't agree with that. I don't agree with that. You can switch depending on service-based companies or startups. You can do it if you want to switch tech. Now, the salary will match or not is a question. Yeah. Bro, I'm almost 3 years of experience. Still the resume of freshers over here send tremors down my spine. Nah, don't feel any competition, bro. It's alright. Even if they know this much, they only need one job. They can only stay at one job. And even if you don't know things, Itachi, you only need one job. And you're gonna stay at one job. What's to be scared about? Smart Stay. So Sarthi, React, Node, Mongo, FFmpeg and JWT. Multi-resolution video processing. If you have done this, yeah, I'm impressed. 20 REST API endpoints. Remove the 20, bro. Remove the 20. Over 20, remove that. Implemented MongoDB Atlas to ensure efficient and scalable data storage. CI/CD pipeline. I will get good juniors. Yeah, you will. Dhamstin Desai University. SSC 92%, 99.69 PR, HSC 81%, CGPA 8.09. Okay, so you're good at studies at least. 92%, wow, that is good. Lead code, solved 230 plus problems, rating 1410. Nice. Code forces, max rating 1063. Okay, this is impressive. You have your lead code score right here. Contest rating 1485, and you're going upwards. Top 48%. This is impressive. I'm impressed by your code chef and lead code profile links. I think you should move it a little bit up. Right after skills, you should plug it. 8 CGPA, let's go. At this point, I'm collecting project ideas from this live. Yeah. You can build it your own way. Alright, I'm gonna hop off. Have a fun stream, guys. Yeah, bye, Riddler. It's alright. Alright, I think it is time for me to go as well. Unless anybody else has shared their resume. Oh, Thorat also has. Amosh Singh, Uttarakhand. Oh, you must flex that all the time. That I am from UK. I am from UK actually. Why do I feel like I've seen your resume before? Highly motivated third year BTech student, experience in full stack, seeking a software developer role to apply expertise in Java, Spring Boot, and database management. Very good objective, very good two-liner about yourself. IIT Sonpat or triple IT Sonpat. Format is good. I'm happy with how it is formatted. Up to skills, New Delhi, developed REST APIs for CRUD operations in Spring Boot. Nice. Database, OOP concepts to backend. Nice. Trading app full stack architecture using Python. Nice. Data visualization, graphometric predictions. Nice. Databases for efficient data handling. Okay. Smart attendance system, GitHub. Journal entry API, GitHub. Leadership activities, hackathon finalist. Nice. This is a good one. Good resume, Amos. Yeah, this one is good. I literally don't have any feedback right here. This is one of the perfectly curated resumes. This is bang on. Happy Ugadi, folks. Oh, the Chetan Kumar. You also left my Discord server. I saw you. Yo, bro, stream is lagging. Is it? But it says that it is sending 3.2.6 Mbps. What is happening? Hey yo, intern at JP Morgan. Oh, software engineering virtual intern. JP Morgan Chase. Nice. That is great. I'm telling you, this is one of the best resumes I've seen. Literally, there is no feedback from me. You get a thumbs up, Amosh. Good resume. The ribbon fed video I showed you uses a new transistor architecture to fit more transistors in the same space. Intel upcoming chip will have 1.8 nanometer transistor density, which is never seen before in the industry. IBM's 2 nanometer chip architecture offers similar performance. As transistors become smaller, the distance between the gate and the channel decreases. This increases the risk of leakage current. Sorry, too much stuff. I get 70 Mbps for 6 months for 3,000 rupees. I get 30 Mbps for 399 rupees a month. So 400, so basically 2400 rupees for 6 months. Yeah, fiber, isn't it? I'm just clearing the clutter. We'll join again. I was in a lot of random servers that were banging my notification. Oh, okay. I see. I see. Okay. Has anybody else sent their resume? Not Geo or Airtel, local ISP. Oh, okay. Okay. I see. Okay. Please, Akshay, send your resume, bro. There's a difference. I can't I can't review someone's resume. It has to be yours. See the Arogya Setu one. Oh, this says White plus React plus TS. Don't do this. Don't do this. Fix it. The site header should not say what it is built in. It's a quick change. Why chose Arogya Setu? Why we are better? Competitive advantages, technical excellence. Meet our team. Nice, nice. Good looking website. I don't buy games. Fit girl always. Local ISPs allow torrenting lol, that's why. Same here, bro. Private fortune. Same. I don't buy games either.
But in reality you are getting outdated because the world is changing, the market is changing, the tech stack is changing, the domain is changing every single day, and you are continuing to do the same thing. Okay, so please evaluate if there is something new happening, right? If you are learning a new tool, if you are learning a new skill, if you are getting some new exposure, some new experience, then it is okay. But otherwise, if you are repeating yourself every single day for months and years, you are going to face a lot of challenges in the long run. Okay, so that's the first mistake. Second mistake is that people know that I am working with the wrong person. Whether this person is your boss or whether this person is your client, you know internally that this person is unreasonable, this person is toxic, this person is putting me under the bus with some unreasonable expectations. But you make the mistake of hoping that one fine day the behavior will change. One fine day everything will be hunky-dory.
Yeah, that is very fair thing that he's saying. Toxic people gonna be toxic all their life. It literally doesn't change, and this is the mental gymnastics that we play with ourselves. We tell ourselves that, oh, this is toxic now, but it will improve. No, it won't. It never will. My friend who tried Jio and Airtel and Tata Play Fiber told me never get one, even they discontinued. Oh, but I'm happy with what Geo Fiber is getting me. I'm happy. It works good enough. It is fairly cheap. So yeah, it's good.
Let me continue here. And that actually results in a lot of pressure on you. And at the end of the day, it feels as if you are not good enough. Okay, the company. Okay, don't push yourself under the bus for a very long period of time. That's number 2. Number 3 is overestimating that you will get a new job very soon. A lot of people overestimate. They think that, yeah, one fine day I'll update my LinkedIn, I'll start to circulate my resume, I'll get a lot of calls. Please don't overestimate that. Okay, you will need that time to get those calls. You will need that time to give interviews.
Very good video. Very good video. Yeah, and I think this is a great point to stop the stream, end the stream basically. I need to go and have my lunch, my proper lunch. So I'll see you guys next Saturday. Make sure to tune in to my next live stream. But yeah, this is it for today. Bye bye. Take care, guys. GTA 6 will be 30 FPS on PS5 and Xbox. This is crazy. Who will pay 99 for it? Another bowl of Maggie. No, not another bowl of Maggie. Proper lunch like roti sabzi or, bhat dal. Dal and rice. But yeah, this is it for today. Bye bye. Okay, guys. Bye bye. I'll see you next Saturday. Man, I'm tired. Bye bye. Bye bye.